Hi everyone, my name is Monica Lehmann Sacristan and I am the creator of Balanced. Thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait for you to start your ballet journey with me. So Balanced Ballet is a fitness program with classical ballet. What you're going to be working with is strength, flexibility, mobility, and of course a lot of balance. We don't have any equipment in Balanced Ballet. It's your body, and that goes to say also it's your time, it's your priority. So you can do this in the comfort of your own home. You just need a little bit of space and you're good to go. So in the living room, bedroom, wherever you choose to do it, Balanced Ballet is there for you. So what you're getting in this program, you're getting an introduction to the ballet terminology. This is derived from the classical ballet system, where the dancers are at the bar going for exercises all the way from plié down to grand battement tendu jeté. And if you're like, what is she saying? Don't worry, this is why we have the ballet terminology. I wanted to give you a chance to get acquainted with the exercises that we're using in Balanced Ballet. And I wanted you to understand the foundations and the principles of what are the benefits of doing these exercises and what amazing chances you have to actually become more flexible, stronger, but also get a better balance from doing a ballet class. Now, the beauty of this is that we have an amazing music collaboration with a Swedish music producer, Northpoint Resistance, Joakim Norlander. The music is modern, it's contemporary, and I wanted to give you that contemporary modern touch so you would feel that you're actually doing a fitness program and not an old school classical ballet program. There is no stops. The class is about 33 to 45 minutes. You choose if you want to pause the video, but the class is made so you start from the beginning and you go all the way to the end, no stopping in between. The exercises are made in progression, so you start low and then you work yourself up. So it's going to become more and more challenging throughout the class. After the ballet terminology, you're actually getting not one, not two, but 3 classes. The classes are designed with progression. So you do one class for 1 week, 2 to 3 times a week to get the best benefits. Then, when you're ready, you can progress and do class 2, also 2 to 3 times a week. When you're ready, then you progress to class 3 and you go 2 to 3 times a week. Now, what happens after? I will go into that later on in the outro video, but let's get into the background of how Balanced Ballet came to be.